Well, hello. Welcome to another EmulatorWoW tutorial. In this tutorial, I will cover the things about changing the start location of your characters, like when a player on your server or yourself create a character, you will spawn a custom place, like where you want to. So where you set it in the database. So let's start out with open up Navicat Lite, which is the database program I will use for this tutorial. I'm just gonna go through the things you need, or the columns you need to use. We open up the world database. We go to the player create info, and we go to these 5 columns you need. So you need the map ID, you need the zone ID, you need the position X, and these 2 positions. So these 5 columns is what we're gonna need for this tutorial. So as you can see, all my columns and map IDs are the same value, which means that all the different characters and races and classes will spawn the same place. So this is basically what it's going to look like when you're done with this tutorial, unless you want them to spawn all different places. That's up to you. And in the description you can find the race ID, which is what you're gonna need to know too, like which race number 1 is, if it's a gnome or it's a human or orc or troll. So that's just gonna be in the description too. So now we're just gonna leave that as it were. So we're gonna go in the game now, and I'm gonna show you how to find the locations so you can put them in the database, and it's very simple. Okay, so now I'm here. I wanna find a house where you can start, or you can start outside. I wanna make my character spawn here, my players of the server spawn here. So I can type in G, and it gives me the current position of where I'm standing, with the x-axis, the zone, and the map, and just everything you need. So I'm gonna type down the different positions. You see, the map and the zone is 0, so that's something you can remember. And the area, you don't need the area, you need the x-axis and the u-axis and the z-axis. So I'm just gonna write down the x-axis: minus 435 dot 947001. Okay, I'm gonna mark it, and I'm gonna hit Control C, which copy it. So I'm gonna go out of game to the desktop, and I'm gonna paste it in the database. So once you have copied the x-axis, you want to go to the world once again and player create info. So now you want to go to the description and find the number for the alliance characters or races. Keep switching around with these 2. Okay, so when you get the race you want, you can go here and you can find number 1, and you want to find all the number 1s you got here. Number one. There's a lot of number 1 because it fits for each class. Peli, Marios, and you know. But since I got the x-axis, I'm just gonna copy and paste it in every tab here. Oh well, not exactly. Okay, sorry, I was just gone for a minute. can't remember where I were. Okay, the race 1 is the human race. So I want to go to the class 1, or no, I don't want to. So I'm gonna go to the races one. So I'm gonna go out to the x-axis here and paste my location like that. And as you can see, it have to be comma like that. So I want to go to the race again. I want to find one once again and go out here and paste my number again. And just gonna copy this number instead. So, and you want to do this until every number 1 is made here. It can take a lot of time, but it's worth it in the end for your fun server or just regular server. So the one again here. So now every number 1 slot is fit out with this position X, and you need to go in game once again and find the position U and seed set. So I'm just gonna go in game once again. I'm not sure how crappy this recorder is in game because I used fraps the other time. So you can go up and you can find the U axis. Sorry if this is a bad quality. I used fraps before. And copy and go out of game, and once again go into this and the position. You just have to paste it here. No, once again it's not. Paste, 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 paste. It gets pretty simple after the first time. Paste, paste, and because I don't want to make this tutorial too long, I think I have explained this pretty good. No, not pretty good. Oh well, I hope so. But I have explained it enough so you know how to when you get these race things, race IDs, you should be able to do this for every race and class. So that shouldn't be so hard. The map ID was 0. I'm just gonna make this so you can see when I create a human, I spawn where I just put it. So that. And every time you fill out one of these, you don't have to click on this update record. It does it automatically after you go to the next one. 0, 0. Okay. So now when I have changed everything so it fits, let's go in game and see if I've made it right. Okay, so now I'm in the create a character section, and before I do this, you have to restart the server and then go into create a character. I'm gonna create a human. Doesn't matter if it's female or male. Just gonna take warrior for this example. Accept, and let's see if I've done it correctly. Enter the world. Okay, there's supposed to come a movie, so I'm just gonna hit escape, and it worked. See, that's nice. So it worked, everything is working. You get a chicken over here who is, yeah, okay, back to subject. So if you follow this tutorial, you will get the same result as me. It's working, and you can do this for every class. So thanks for watching. Do what you gotta do, like subscribe and comment, rate. I would appreciate that. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.